Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing well and staying on track. One of my favorite things to have after a walk, before a walk, exercise, after an exercise, as a snack is a refreshing, delicious, high protein smoothie. And today I'm going to show you one of my newest favorite ones that I make, which is chocolate based. And if you're a chocolate lover, you're going to love this without all the high fat calories. All right. And I'm going to show you how to make it. Of course, it's versatile. I'm doing a strawberry banana chocolate and with a secret ingredient that will really be delicious, and that you won't even know. You can sneak it in so your kids won't even know. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you. Okay, I just did actually a video. My counter is a mess because I just did a video on all my ingredients that I just bought from Walmart. So what do we have here? Oh, you see it. It's my spinach. So that's what I'm adding because it's high in potassium, and it's just a great way to sneak in a veggie into your protein shake. So the first thing is I have about a cup of frozen strawberries, which I'm going to add, and make sure I get them all out. And I'm putting in a ice cube because I like it really thick, and hopefully it'll work out. And just a few bananas, just a few, maybe a quarter of a cup. And again, you know, I mean, if you want to use more, you want to use less, obviously you can do that. And this is so nice, quick and easy. Now for the high protein, I'm going to use some Quest protein powder, and I'm using a half a scoop, which is 3 tablespoons. So on WW for a whole scoop, it is, I just want to make sure I get all of it, is 1 smart point. So for a half a scoop, basically 0. And I love the cocoa berry cocoa powder, and I'm using a half a tablespoon for that extra chocolate richness. Now, the other thing that I found in my cupboard that I forgot I had was this unsweetened chocolate almond breeze. And for 1 cup, it's only 40 calories, and it is super delicious and only 1 smart point. So I also have just a package of sweetener that I'm just adding, and you can add sugar-free honey. You can use real honey, you can use agave, you can use any stevia, truvia, monk sugar, which I usually use, okay? Now, I always add the spinach in last. Actually, I'm going to put the spinach in and then the milk, okay? Because I like it to chop up. So I'm just adding, and look, you know, I have a large cup here that I'm just pressing down. But you can use, like, you want 2 cups of spinach, you want more strawberries, you want other kind of berries. You know, it's versatile, right? So you can do what you want. If you don't have the chocolate milk, almond milk, you can just use other plain milk and then just add more cocoa. Okay, so I just happen to have this, and now I'm just going to, and I like adding the spinach last because then it breaks up faster. Okay, so hopefully I can get this on for you guys and show you how fast this delicious recipe and quick you can make this in seconds. So hold on, I just have to, this is not easy with one hand. Normally I don't do that like this, but I wanted to today. So let's get this started. And it's almost ready. Sometimes you have to take it off and shake it, but if you put the spinach in last, then you won't have to do that. And it's hidden. You could even add some romaine lettuce to it if you want, okay? It is so yummy. I'm just gonna put my phone down here for a second. Alrighty, because I want to take, okay, and here it is, all made for you, all right? Hi, it's me again, and I'm just going to get a straw because it's so thick. Now, if you want to put it in a really cute mason jar or a glass or whatever to make it look fancier, okay? And it tastes amazing. Nice, rich chocolate flavor, super yummy, super delicious, okay? And nutritious. So I hope you love this easy peasy recipe that I made. And don't forget to subscribe, share my channel, and like, comment when you make my recipes, not if, when you make my recipes, take a picture, tag me, and post it please, so that other people can share these amazing recipes, all right? If I do say so myself. And I'm just going to enjoy this. Again, I'm not saying as a meal replacement, but it is great to take to work with you. And it's so easy and fast. You saw how fast. If you're really hungry and you need something before you make dinner, this is a tip. You can have a smoothie so then you don't overeat after a workout, before a workout, as a snack, just for something refreshing, especially if it's, hello, summertime. I just came back from my walk. So that's it. And I love you guys. So again, take care, be well. Mwah. Bye for now.